What's up, guys? This is how you export a full CapCut Pro video in 30 seconds. So, look, I'm trying to click export. Obviously can't. They're going to make me pay. So what I'm going to do is actually take this whole video and I'm going to make it into a compound clip. So you basically copy this whole thing. Boom. Click this. Right, left click it. Create compound clip. Bang. And then I'm gonna go click the video, go to the video bar, scroll all the way down and go to motion blur. And then you click motion blur, put the motion blur to 0. And then let's wait until this is done processing. And I just got done finishing this YouTube video. Discord in bio for editors. You can get hired, list jobs and everything. And I'm going to be listing a couple full-time positions in there soon. So make sure everyone to join. We just had a new viewer in there. And yeah, so it's going to be great. Alright, the video just got done updating in motion blur. So first thing I'm going to do is open up files. I'm going to open up CapCut. Video just got done updating in motion blur, so I'm going to open up CapCut. I'm going to click open file location. Then I'm going to do it one more time. So I'm going to open file location again. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and click CapCut. Then user data. And then I'm going to go to cache. And I'm going to scroll down until I see cache motion blur. See motion blur cache. So I'm going to double click that and you can see all my videos I have here. And I'm going to find the one that I just uploaded and I can take this video.
Venom fruit is about to become something nobody.
And I can bang and I'm going to upload it directly from there and same good video quality and everything. Or you can bang upload it in CapCut like this. So, and then you can export it. So yeah, that's the video. Join the Discord in the description and subscribe.